Okay, I'm not ready yet.
Girl, come on with the question so I can get out of here.
So I am Carol. I am originally from Brazil, but now I'm based in the UK.
I'm Amy. I am the head of operations here at LUS.
My name is Ty. I'm from Texas.
My name is Vanessa. I live in Florida.
Whenever I get the opportunity to talk to people about what we're building here, that really jazzes me up.
For me, hair is like really personal. Like it makes me feel good that they can, ask questions and I can help them along the way.
Honestly, my favorite part when like moms and they are like, I don't have curly hair and I don't know how to take care of this kid's hair. And then they send me a picture and I'm like, okay, we are gonna have a journey right now, me and you.
Probably seeing different result pictures, like, from people being unhappy to, really happy with themselves and their own curls.
Changing the way people feel every day about going out in the world. Like that gives me goosebumps.
This is my hair, like what can I do with it? And I feel like, yeah, that's what I'm here for, like I'm here to help you to be happy with what you have. And yeah.
So that's probably my favorite part of the job, just seeing people begin to love themselves.
Growing up, I hated my hair. A lot of people probably feel that way too.
Yeah, that was a bit more difficult than like right now.
I got into high school when I played a lot of sports and I didn't know what to do with it, so I buzzed it off. So for most of high school, I had a buzz cut.
I can't remember when it started, but probably I can remember like maybe 5 or 6. I've had a perm. Up until I was probably 19 is when I stopped.
My mom, she does not have curly hair and she did her very best to take care of my hair, but before there was not many products out there or like even information. So
it was just kind of one of those things that didn't make me feel great.
I didn't like the volume, I didn't like the frizz. I went through a phase where I'd always want to straighten my hair, and then I ended up frying my hair extremely bad. Just between flat ironing, curling irons to make the perfect curl.
And then when I started working, I had a couple of friends at work. They were like, oh my God, you should totally straighten your hair. And so they gave me one of their old straighteners. And so from that point forward, that was 2007, I straightened my hair for a little over a decade.
The kids in the school would say, like, oh, your hair's not pretty. Why is it so puffy?
And I was always like, I want my hair to grow. I want my hair to be pretty. I don't feel pretty.
At a very, very young age, I started relaxing at like 9 years old or maybe like 8.
And then like as I grew older, I was kind of like, this is probably not the best thing for my hair.
Now I absolutely love it and I cannot see myself without this hair.
I love my curls. It's a part of me now and it makes me feel unique because not everyone has the same curl pattern. So it makes me feel different. Different from the next person, and I like that.
I really love it. Like I get compliments on my hair now, which I've never had before. So that's kind of cool.
I love it. And my daughter has like a little junior me, so her hair is just like mine, so I love it even more now because we have something in common. So
and when it bounces back, I've never had that before. It's been very cool. I like this guy. Oh, yeah, this one. He's one of my favorites right here.
Because that's me. That's Carol with big lips, big nose, and big hair.
Just accept yourself for who you are. You have to do that before you can learn to love yourself.
Patience, for sure. I didn't realize this was here, and it just kind of showed up over time.
Patience. The biggest thing I would say is patience. You have to take baby steps. It's not something that's going to happen overnight.
Being open to experimentation and finding what works for you. I remember reaching out to our own hair care support team to say, guys, this used to work. It was 2 months ago and this was fine, but now I'm getting this weird thing happening on the top of my head. What's going on? And they suggested, switch from the raking through method to the praying hands method. And I'm like, okay, I'll give that a try.
It's not like the day I stopped straightening my hair, the second day was like this. It was definitely not like this. It was a process, and even of me accepting it. It's definitely a journey.
So just accept your flaws, accept your perfections and imperfections. It's all part of you, so accept it all.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love your curls and love yourself.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was so adorable.
That was amazing.
Thank you.